The war in Sudan has resulted in a significant humanitarian crisis with over 40,000 people killed and 12 million displaced. My name is Oalokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, the current conflict in Sudan is between the Sudanese Armed Forces, known as the SAF, and the Rapid Support Forces, known as the RSF. The fight started in April 2023 due to a power struggle between the two military leaders, General Abdel Fattah, who is the leader of the SAF, and General Mohamed Hamdan Dagalo, who is the commander of the RSF. Now, the RSF accused the SAF of trying to bring back former leader Omar al-Bashir, who was ousted in a coup in 2019. Now, the leader of the RSF claimed that the RSF was fighting against the radical Islamic militants. The conflict escalated into a full-scale war, causing widespread violence, displacement, and humanitarian crisis. The trending satellite images of Sudan are showing mass killings, displacements, and destructions in Sudan, particularly in the city of El Fasher. According to the Yale School of Public Health's Humanitarian Research Lab, the images reveal mass killing, where objects are consistent with human bodies were seen on the ground near RSF vehicles, with at least 5 instances of reddish earth discoloration suggesting possible graves or bloodshed. Now, there's also a house-to-house clearance operation where RSF vehicles were deployed in tactical formation consistent with house-to-house clearance operation in Al Fasher's Daraja Oula neighborhood. And then also displacements where groups of people were seen fleeing Al Fasher, with some heading towards RSF-controlled areas and others moving west towards Tawila. Now, this conflict in Sudan has created one of the world's worst humanitarian crises, with over 14 million people displaced, including 3.3 million refugees who have fled into neighboring countries like Chad, Ethiopia, and South Sudan. Now, the war has disrupted agricultural activities, leading to severe food insecurities, with nearly 25 million people experiencing extreme hunger and 7.2 million people internally displaced. And also, the conflict has a potential to destabilize the entire Horn of Africa region. Now, with neighboring countries affected by the influx of refugees and the spread of violence, the war has disrupted Sudan's economy, which could have far-reaching consequences for global trade and economic stability. Now, the conflict has been marked by widespread human rights abuses, including reports of ethnically motivated violence, mass killings, and atrocities committed by both sides. Now, the international community is calling for increased humanitarian aid, diplomatic efforts to end the conflict, and accountability for human rights abuses.